Hey guys, so today's video is on a special request of Vritti. She asked us to make different types of Maggie, which we do have by the way on our channel, but today's Maggie is going to be a little different.
So today we are making cheese Maggie with a little Indian twist to this type of Maggie, and we're gonna make it in a bowl. Also guys, we have a really fun announcement at the end of this video, so do stick till the end and let's get quick creating.
हमारी चीज़ मैगी शुरू करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लेंगे एक माइक्रोवेव सेफ बोल. उसमें हम ऐड करेंगे 1 पैकेट ऑफ मैगी मसाला. वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रेक आवर मैगी इन द पैकेट इटसेल्फ सो दैट इट अवॉइड्स स्पिलिंग एंड देन वी आर गोना पुट इट इन द बोल. हमारी मैगी को हम अच्छे से तोड़ लेंगे ताकि ये कुक होने में आसानी हो. उसके बाद हम मिला देंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी. उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड आवर मैगी टेस्ट मेकर इनटू इट. अगर आपको आपकी मैगी थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा स्पाइसी चाहिए तो आप ये मैगी मसाला और एक पैकेट डाल सकते हो. देन वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड रेड चिली फ्लेक्स टू इट एंड देन कम्स आवर सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट व्हिच इज़ द गार्लिक बटर. दिस विल एनहांस द टेस्ट ऑफ ऑल अदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ अ फोक एंड मिक्स इट ऑल अप और टाइम है अपनी मैगी को कुक करने का. Now in the microwave, we are going to put our bowl and we are going to cook it for about 2 minutes. Make sure that you keep a close eye on the Maggi so that the water doesn't get overflown. But अगर आपने ingredients उसी proportion में use किए हैं जिस तरीके से हमने use किए हैं, then the Maggi is very less likely to get overflown. After 2 minutes, we are going to store our Maggi well. We are going to do this step really carefully because the bowl is going to be hot. After storing your Maggi well, we are going to cook it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, हम अपना बोल बाहर निकाल लेंगे. हम एक कपड़े से इसको carefully निकालेंगे because the bowl is going to be super hot. Sometimes the dried herbs tend to float on the top of the Maggi, so using a fork, we are going to mix all the ingredients really well. And then it's time to add grated cheese to the top of our Maggi. हमने यहाँ पे grated cheese लिया है, but you can also switch to cheese slices. Now we are going to add some more dried herbs, starting with oregano, and then using a fork, we are going to mix it all up. पहले तो ये मैगी सिर्फ मैंने अपने लिए बनाई थी, पर वैष्णवी couldn't resist herself and she was like मुझे भी चाहिए. So we ended up making another Maggi packet using the same process. And we are going to add that to this Maggi. Just kidding guys, हमने सिर्फ ये मैगी इसलिए बनाई है ताकि ये बोल पूरा अच्छे से भर जाए and we can click some really good pictures for our Instagram. Like you can see, the Maggi is filled to the top and now we are going to add some grated cheese on top of it. After adding the cheese, we are going to melt it for about 30 seconds in the microwave and then we are going to add some red chili powder to bring out that red color to our Maggi. You can totally skip this step if you don't want much spices in your Maggi. Then we have also added some oregano again to bring some colors. And that's it. Our cheese Maggi is all set to be eaten. बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty and delicious है ये. If you want simple cheese Maggi without the taste maker, then you can click on the link right about now. Thank you guys for watching this video. We have made really beautiful vanilla rainbow cupcakes which are out on our Instagram page. So do check them out.
We're also going to come up with a lot of fun and entertaining quick creations on our Instagram page, so do follow it so that you do not miss them out.
Isn't it exciting that our channel is going to hit 5,000 subscribers really soon?
Yeah, we're really excited for it guys. So do share this video and help us grow to that number really soon.
When we hit a 5,000 subscribers, we are planning to come out with something outside the kitchen space. So some really fun, entertaining videos. If you have any video suggestions, then drop them in the comment section below and we both will get back to you on that.
As always guys, do hit the subscribe button, like this video and hit the bell button to stay notified whenever we come up with a new quick creation. And that's it for today guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye!